Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send USDT from Exmo to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will help you move your USDT safely and efficiently. Let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Binance. You'll need a balance of USDT in your Exmo wallet, and remember, crypto transfers can involve fees and potential risks, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets, or Balance, section. Find your USDT wallet. That's where the magic begins. Step 2. Once you're in your USDT wallet, look for the Withdraw or Send button. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to select the network. For USDT, popular options include TRC20 for faster, cheaper transfers or ERC20 if you're okay with higher fees. In 2025, Binance might prioritize certain networks for better compatibility, so choose wisely based on their latest updates. Step 3. Now, switch to your Binance account and go to the Deposit section. Copy the USDT deposit address. Make sure it matches the network you selected on Exmo to prevent any errors. Step 4. Back on Exmo, paste that Binance address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, double-check the details, and hit Confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with 2FA or email for security. Step 5. Sit tight. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, check your Binance wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. A quick tip. Always monitor transaction fees and use reputable exchanges. In 2025, with evolving regulations, keep an eye on any new rules that might affect transfers. There you have it. You're all set to transfer USDT like a pro. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.